If that just blew your mind, wait until you hear what makes neutron stars one of the most bizarre and fascinating objects in our universe. Stick around to find out how these cosmic giants defy everything we thought we knew about physics. Neutron stars are the super-dense remnants left behind after massive stars go supernova. When a star 8 to 20 times the mass of our Sun runs out of fuel, it can't support itself against its own gravity anymore. It collapses in on itself in a cataclysmic explosion, and what's left behind is an incredibly dense core. This is where things get really wild. During the collapse, the pressure is so immense that electrons and protons are forced together to form neutrons. That's right, these stars are made almost entirely of neutrons, packed together so tightly that a neutron star with about 1.5 times the mass of our Sun is only about 20 kilometers, or 12 miles, across. To put that into perspective, imagine taking our entire Sun with all its immense mass. The result is a gravitational field that is absolutely mind-boggling. The gravity on the surface of a neutron star is about 200 billion times stronger than the gravity here on Earth. If you could somehow stand on one, you would be instantly flattened into a thin layer of atoms. So, what exactly makes these celestial wonders tick? While the name suggests they're just balls of neutrons, the reality is far more complex. But the extreme pressure might create exotic states of matter we can't replicate on Earth. But the real mystery lies deeper inside and also in the outer layers, where extreme conditions, like incredibly powerful magnetic fields and scorching temperatures, give rise to some truly fascinating phenomena. For instance, many neutron stars are also what we call pulsars. As a neutron star forms from the collapse of a much larger star, its rotation speeds up dramatically, just like an ice skater pulling in their arms. These neutron stars can spin hundreds of times per second. They also have incredibly intense magnetic fields. These fields can funnel particles and create powerful beams of radiation that shoot out from the star's magnetic poles. If the star is oriented just right, these beams sweep across space like a cosmic lighthouse. That's a pulsar, an interstellar spotlight, blinking on and off with near-perfect precision. But not all neutron stars are created equal. Some are spinning at incredible speeds, up to 700 times every single second. That's like a record player on an unimaginable overdrive. This rapid rotation is critical because it generates some of the most dramatic gravitational phenomena we see in astrophysics. But hold that thought for a moment. What if I told you there's a secret hidden within neutron stars that could completely change our understanding of dark matter? That's right. Some theories suggest that deep within the core of a neutron star, under pressure and density so extreme it's hard to even comprehend, a new form of matter could exist. Scientists have theorized something called strange matter. In this state, the fundamental particles that make up neutrons and protons, called quarks, might break free and reorganize to include strange quarks. If this strange matter exists, it might even be more stable than the normal matter that makes up you, me, and everything we see. Let's just take a step back and think about what that means. If strange matter is real and can be created inside neutron stars, it could offer us clues about dark matter. Dark matter is the mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the mass in the universe. But it doesn't interact with light, so we can't see it directly. We only know it's there because of its gravitational effects. By studying the extreme physics inside neutron stars, we might be looking at a key that could unlock one of the biggest secrets of our reality. They aren't just dead stars, they're cosmic laboratories. Alright, let's do a quick reset and summarize our journey so far. Neutron stars are incredibly dense remnants of supernova, mostly made of neutrons, and their cores might contain exotic matter that could rewrite our physics textbooks. Now, let's get into the different types of neutron stars you might encounter out there in the cosmos. First up, we have the pulsars, those rapidly spinning lighthouses we just talked about. They are amazing cosmic clocks. Then, we have the magnetars, times stronger than Earth's. Their magnetic fields are so powerful they can distort the shapes of atoms from light years away. If a magnetar were to get too close to our solar system, its magnetic field could wipe the data from every credit card on Earth. And if you got too close to one yourself, the immense energy and radiation would vaporize you instantly. Now that is a shocking thought. So, how are scientists even studying these stellar giants? They use powerful radio telescopes like the Very Large Array to observe pulsars and map their behavior. These observations help us learn more about how matter behaves under extreme gravity and density. Even more exciting, gravitational wave observatories like LIGO and Virgo have detected ripples in space-time created when two neutron stars spiral into each other and collide. This groundbreaking discovery not only confirmed a key prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity, but also gave us a direct look into the cosmic furnace where heavy elements like gold and platinum are forged. These collisions create conditions so extreme that they challenge all our current models of physics. But how do these distant, bizarre objects relate to our lives? When you hear about the discovery of gravitational waves or see incredible images of cosmic events, remember that neutron stars are often at the heart of the action. They are the engines behind some of the most energetic events in the universe. As we learn more about how they're formed, what they're made of, and how they warp spacetime, we can develop better models for predicting cosmic events. But it goes beyond that. Understanding the extreme matter inside neutron stars could inspire new technologies and materials here on Earth. Are we talking about the first steps toward future space travel or energy sources? It's not out of the realm of possibility. Before we end, let's touch on one last mind-bending topic. How do neutron stars affect their environment? These cosmic powerhouses don't just exist in isolation. Their incredible gravity can pull in surrounding gas and dust, sometimes triggering the birth of new stars and planetary systems. Just think about that. The dead remnant of one star can act as the seed for creating an entire new generation of stars and planets. It's like a cosmic cycle of death and rebirth. A neutron star as the godfather of a new galaxy. Now that's some serious cosmic drama. So, in conclusion, neutron stars are so much more than just tiny, dense remnants of stellar evolution. They are invaluable cosmic laboratories that challenge our understanding of matter, gravity, and the very nature of existence. They push the boundaries of physics and force us to ask fundamental questions about the universe. Remember that some of those twinkling lights might not be stars at all, but pulsars, magnetars, or colliding neutron stars, harboring some of the greatest cosmic secrets yet to be revealed. Now, the next time someone brings up neutron stars, you can confidently say that understanding them goes far beyond basic astrophysics. It takes us deep into the very fabric of our universe. If you found this journey as mind-blowing as I did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible scientific insights. What do you think about neutron stars? Do you think strange matter is real? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on these amazing cosmic giants. Thanks for watching.